Hello, my name is Anna. I am happy you are here. Welcome to my podcast. Today we talk about healthy habits. Healthy habits are small things we do every day. These things help our body and our mind. When we have good habits, we feel better, we have more energy, and we are happier. In this podcast, I will speak slowly and clearly. This is good for you if you learn English. You can listen and repeat after me. Let's start. What is a habit? A habit is something you do again and again. For example, you brush your teeth every day. This is a habit. You eat breakfast every morning. This is also a habit. Some habits are good. Some habits are not good. Good habits help your body. Bad habits can make you tired or sick. Today we start with a very simple healthy habit, drinking water. Water is very important. Our body needs water every day. When you drink water, your body works well. Your skin looks better. You feel more fresh. How much water do you need? You can drink about 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. You can drink more if you are active. Here is a simple idea. In the morning, drink 1 glass of water. Before lunch, drink 1 glass of water. In the afternoon, drink 1 glass of water. In the evening, drink 1 glass of water. It is easy, right? Sometimes people drink a lot of coffee or soda. This is not very healthy. Water is better. Now, let's practice English. Repeat after me. I drink water every day. I like healthy habits. I take care of my body.
Good job.
Another healthy habit is sleep. Sleep is very important. When you sleep, your body rests. Your brain also rests. You feel strong in the morning. How many hours do you sleep? It is good to sleep 7 to 9 hours every night. Try to go to bed at the same time every day. For example, you go to bed at 10 p.m. every night. Before sleep, do not use your phone too much. Read a book or listen to calm music. Let's practice. I sleep well. I go to bed early. I feel good in the morning. Healthy habits are not difficult. Start with small steps. Today you can. Heavy checkmark drink more water. Heavy checkmark go to bed early. Today we talk about food and movement. Let's start with food. Food gives us energy. Good food helps our body stay strong and healthy. What is healthy food? Healthy food is simple and natural. For example,
Fruits, apple, banana, orange.
vegetables, carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers. Also, rice, eggs, fish, chicken. These foods are good for you. Try to eat more fresh food. Try to eat less fast food. Fast food is not very healthy. It has a lot of sugar, salt, and fat. You can eat fast food sometimes, but not every day. A good habit is to eat 3 meals a day.
Breakfast.
Lunch, dinner. Breakfast is very important. It gives you energy in the morning. Example of a simple breakfast: an egg, bread, and tea, or yogurt and fruit. Now, let's practice English. Repeat after me. I eat healthy food. I like fruits and vegetables. I eat breakfast every day.
Great.
Now, let's talk about movement. Movement is when your body is active. For example, walking, running, dancing, or doing sport.
You do not need to do a lot.
Small movement is also good. You can walk 10 to 20 minutes every day. Use stairs, not the elevator. Stretch your body in the morning. If you sit a lot, try to stand up and move. Movement helps your body. You feel strong. You feel happy. You have more energy. Let's practice. I move every day. I like to walk. I take care of my body. Very good. Healthy habits are simple. Eat good food. Move your body. Start with small steps. Today you can. Heavy check mark, eat one fruit. Heavy check mark, walk 10 minutes. Your body is important, but your mind is also very important. What is the mind? Your mind is how you think. Your feelings are how you feel. Happy, sad, calm, angry. Healthy habits help your mind feel good. Let's start with a simple habit, positive thinking. Positive thinking means you try to think good thoughts. For example, instead of I am tired, you say, I can rest and feel better. Instead of I can't do this, you say I can try. You do not need to be perfect.
Just try.
Now repeat after me. I think positive. I can do it. I try every day. Good. Another healthy habit is relax time. Relax means you rest your mind. You can relax in many ways. Listen to music. Read a book. Sit in silence.
Take a walk.
Even 10 minutes is good. If you feel stress, stop and take a deep breath. Let's practice. I am calm. I relax every day. I take a deep breath. Very good. Now, let's talk about talking with people. People are important. Friends and family help us feel good. You can talk to a friend.
Call your family.
Smile and say hello. When you talk, you feel less stress.
You feel happy. Try this.
Today, say something nice to someone. Repeat after me. I talk to people. I am kind. I smile every day. Great job. Remember, healthy habits are for your body and your mind.
Today you can.
Heavy check mark, think one positive thought. Heavy check mark, relax for 10 minutes. Heavy check mark, talk to a friend. Today we talk about your daily routine and planning your day. A daily routine is what you do every day. A good routine helps you feel calm and organized. You know what to do. You have time for important things. Let's look at a simple daily routine. Morning. Wake up. Drink water. Eat breakfast.
Day.
Work or study. Eat lunch. Move your body. Evening. Eat dinner. Relax. Go to bed. This is a simple plan. You can change it for your life. Now, let's talk about planning your day. Planning means you think before you do. You can make a small list. For example, drink water, eat healthy food, walk 10 minutes, study English. This list is easy and clear. Do not make a very long list. Start with 3 to 5 things. When you finish a task, you feel good. You feel proud. Now, let's practice English. Repeat after me. I have a plan. I follow my routine. I do small steps.
Good.
Another healthy habit is time for rest. Do not work all the time. Rest is also important. You can take short breaks, 5 to 10 minutes. Sit, brille, relax. This helps your brain and your body. Let's practice. I take breaks. I rest. I feel good. Very nice. Remember, a good day starts with a small plan. Today you can. Heavy check mark, make a simple plan. Heavy check mark, do 3 small tasks. Heavy check mark, take a short break. We talk about bad habits and how to change them. What is a bad habit? A bad habit is something you do again and again, but it is not good for you. For example, eating too much fast food, sleeping very late, using your phone all the time, not moving your body. These habits can make you tired and not healthy. But you can change your habits. Yes, you can. Start small. Do not try to change everything one day. Let's take one example. You sleep very late. New habit. Go to bed 10 minutes earlier. This is easy. Step by step, you change your habit. Another example. You use your phone too much. New habit. Put your phone away for 30 minutes. Read a book or take a walk. Small change equals big result. Now, let's practice English. Repeat after me. I change my habits. I start small. I can do it.
Good.
Another idea. Replace a bad habit with a good habit. Example. Instead of soda, drink water. Instead of chips, eat fruit. Instead of sitting, take a walk. This is a simple way to change. Also, be patient. Change takes time. Do not stop if it is hard. Try again tomorrow. Let's practice. I try again. I am patient. I grow every day. Very good. Remember, you do not need to be perfect. You only need to start. Today you can. Heavy check mark, choose one bad habit. Heavy check mark, make one small change. Heavy check mark, try again tomorrow. We will repeat and remember all the healthy habits. Let's go step by step. First, water. Drink water every day. Your body needs water.
Say with me.
I drink water every day.
Second, sleep.
Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Go to bed early. Repeat. I sleep well. Third, healthy food. Eat fruits and vegetables. Eat simple, good food. Repeat. I eat healthy food. Fourth, movement. Move your body every day. Walk, stretch, or do sport. Repeat. I move every day. Fifth, mind and feelings. Think positive. Relax.
Talk to people.
Repeat. I feel calm. I think positive. Sixth, routine and plan. Make a simple plan. Do small steps. Repeat. I have a plan. I do small steps. Seventh, change bad habits. Start small. Try again every day. Repeat. I change my habits. I try again. Very good. Healthy habits are simple, but very important. You do not need to do everything at once. Start with one habit. Step by step, day by day, you will feel better. Now, one more practice. Repeat after me. I take care of my body. I take care of my mind. I live a healthy life. Great job. Thank you for listening to my podcast. You did very well. You can listen again and practice every day. Good luck with your English and your healthy habits.
See you next time. Bye.
Leave a comment under this video and one of you will get 40 English lessons for free.